Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by breaking the gel's shiny seal. File the top layer gently so acetone penetrates. Once done, saturate cotton with 100% acetone and place it on the nail. Wrap tightly in small aluminum foil squares to trap heat and improve soak time. Make sure to protect surrounding skin with a thin layer of petroleum jelly to reduce drying. You're starting immediately. This maximizes acetone contact and prevents aggressive scraping later, which can damage the nail plate. You wait 10 to 15 minutes, checking every 5 minutes to gauge softening. Once the gel edge lifts, use a wooden or metal cuticle pusher at a low angle to nudge the softened polish off. Slow, gentle pressure prevents peeling layers of natural nail. If gel resists, rewrap and soak an additional 5–10 minutes rather than scraping. Make sure to remove flaky bits with a light file or buffer, keeping motion unidirectional to minimize micro tears in the nail surface. You finish by gently buffing any remaining residue and washing hands to remove acetone. Once dry, apply cuticle oil and rich hand cream to replenish moisture. Let nails rest without polish for a few days to recover strength. If a stubborn patch remains, don't scrape. Rewrap with fresh acetone-soaked cotton for another soak. If repeated soaks fail or you feel pain, stop and consult a professional technician to avoid long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.